Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin Impact Not launching, easy and quick. First, right click here, go to Task Manager. Now all you need to do, go to details. If you find it like that, just click more details and go to details. Now just scroll down. Now just go and open Genshin Impact and go back, come back here fast and scroll down until you find Genshin Impact. You will find it here with applications that start with G, and let's say that this is Genshin Impact. If you find it, all you need to do, just right click on it, set priority and make it high, and then just click change priority. I don't mean to do it to Google Crash handler, I mean just scroll down until you find Genshin Impact and click on it, and make it high, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.